Welcome to this brief walkthrough on how to complete a course copy in BrightSpace, transferring materials from your fall course into your upcoming spring section. In this example, I'm using my Management 101A AU section to demonstrate the process. To begin, make sure you are inside your spring course. From the course homepage, navigate to Course Admin, and then select Import/Export/Copy Components, which is located under the External Learning Tools area. Once you're there, choose the option to Search for Offering. Next, search for your fall section of the course, the one you want to copy from. When you find it, select it and click Add Selected. Since we want to bring over the entire course rather than just specific items, choose Copy All Components. This step may take a moment depending on the size of your course. When the copy is complete, the first action I like to take is to check the content area to make sure everything is copied correctly. If the modules and materials appear as expected, the next step is to pair the course with McGraw-Hill Connect. To do this, select Add Existing and then choose McGraw-Hill Integration. You'll be prompted to select your course and then choose Pair with Existing. I've already created all the Connect sections for you, so you simply need to pair your spring course with the appropriate Spring Connect section. If your list of sections is long, you can press Ctrl+F to quickly search for the correct section. Look for your Spring 2026 section, then click Select. Let the pairing process run fully. If you do not receive a confirmation message when it completes, that means something went wrong, and you will need to try the pairing again. Once the system confirms a successful pairing, I like to click into the section home and Connect to verify that all assignments appear. After confirming your assignments, keep in mind that all fall due dates are also copied over. You'll need to update them. You can edit dates one by one, but the faster option is to select All Assignments, click the three dots, choose Manage Dates, and then use Shift Dates. The number of days you need to shift will depend on the new semester and holiday schedule. While this method isn't perfect, it usually shifts the majority of the due dates correctly, leaving only a few that need manual adjustment. Next, return to your BrightSpace course. Remember that you still need to update items in the Start Here area, including the course syllabus, the assignment sheet, and any other essential course information. If you added assignments outside of Connect, such as discussion boards or written assignments, you'll also need to update their respective due dates. For discussions, simply click the Discussions menu and adjust the dates there. For other types of assignments, I recommend going to Course Admin, selecting Assignments, and updating the dates from that screen. You can also bulk edit assignment and module start and end dates using Manage Dates, which speeds up the cleanup process significantly and prevents you from having to adjust each item individually. That concludes this video. As always, feel free to reach out if you have any questions. Have a great semester.